Hi everyone. I just wanted to film you some video about changing the rubber on footpegs. Look at this. It was a time when I ripped it off of concrete building, and I asked some specialist, some technician to make it from metal, this metal part, and I took off the rubber band from the original footpeg, cutting it right here under, and you can see it fixes right properly, no shaking. It has a long rubber tongue inside it, and it goes inside that metal part of the peg. So if you will change it, don't be scared to take it off. Just cut it through this sew under, and then glue it inside using that huge rubber tongue inside it. So it fixes even without the glue, it fixes well. But if you will glue it up, no shaking. You can see I'm using it more than 2 years already, and no problem. Just riding, and that's all. New food peg for nothing, for maybe $1 for a bottle of vodka. So take care, guys, and be smart. Don't be afraid of any custom works.